Welcome back to Autosport Designs. On this spectacular summer day, we have something very rare and unique here. Everybody knows Chevrolet Corvair. It's a Monza Coupe. It's been fully restored. Spectacular color combination. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 1965 Corvair Monza Coupe. Great pillarless coupe because you have both windows on the side rolled down and there's nothing between them, which really gives you an open air feeling. Do a little cold start here, key on, give it one pump, fires right up. Great air cooled motor, upgraded with a sport exhaust on there. Again, it's been restored. Really cool shifting on a little tiny knob here. So there's no park per se. So the handbrake is on right now. We'll step on the brake, release the handbrake, slide it down to drive. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, we have a little temp in our Corvair Monza Coupe. Such an iconic automobile. Everybody knows what it is right away. Again, people giving thumbs up. We have all the windows down, people screaming, nice car. It's quite a, again, hate to use that word again, but we can say iconic automobile. Great exhaust note out of that sport muffler. Air-cooled engine. Definitely is a bit ahead of its time. Kind of floats along the road. Really good value for money here for these cars. You can have a vintage auto and just drive it, enjoy it, and really are likely to seeing another one. Very slim, but horn works. Got an aftermarket radio here that works. Heater works. Got turn signals that are working. Little house of pain there for those of you who don't know what that is. Good pickup. Good gearing. Got the 2-speed GM automatic. Brakes feel good. Man, what a nice little car. Beautiful color too, this turquoise. The white interior. Very period. Seating for 4, full trunk in the front, as they call it, a frunk. Could not replicate this car, the condition it's in, by buying one half the condition and putting money into it. So it is a good deal, if I may say a good bargain. We're going to come up here to the S's, put her through her paces a little bit. Nice kick down there. Shifts well. Really effortless driving here. Nice light steering since all the weight's over the back. You don't have a lot of weight in the front of the car. But she cruises along very nicely. Speedo working, odometer working. Gas gauge there. We're going to come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. We also have the vent windows locked open. That gives you a lot of air as well. Again, really pedal-less coupe. No B-pillars between the front and back windows. Gives you a great open air feeling. Cruising at speed is so nice in this car. It just purrs along. Seating for 4 as well. Really piece of automotive history. We reference it like the American Carmen Ghia. Really designed and built in a different era of automobiles where they really had great design features. So we're going to come up here to Farm Road and we'll open her up a little bit. All right. Okay, here we are up on the Farm Road. We're gonna take her through her paces one last time for you guys. Again, just cruises so nice. Great feeling with the windows open, the vent windows open. You get such good air in here. This car has also got great history. We have all the photography from when the car is restored. Plenty of receipts as well. A lot of the parts were bought from a specific Corvair parts supplier. So, really good history. Great records, great receipts, as you can see. So you're not just buying a car, you're buying paperwork as well, which is key in these vintage cars. A true piece of automotive Americana. So, hope you guys enjoyed this Corvair Monza Coupe. I definitely did. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You can comment below as well. And we will catch you on the next one.